So here we are. I'm putting together the sourdough pancake. I'll put the link to the recipe below. So I'm making some sourdough pancake batter. I have the ingredients here that I've pretty much all mixed together. And then here is my sourdough starter. This is 1 cup. You can see it's super bubbly. It's pretty awesome. This is day 3 of the starter. So I took a cup out. And also today's the first day that I took some out because it's really filling up the jar. You can see my jar's over here. We have the air conditioner going, so I wrapped it up in this towel. But, well, you can see, well, maybe you can't see, but it's a little less than halfway full. It's right about up to there. So, anyhow, I think it'll turn out pretty good. It smells a lot like buttermilk. So, yeah, we'll see how the pancakes turn out.
10 minutes later.
Okay, so here I'm about to taste the first sourdough pancake that we're using. We're making a big batch of these pancakes. They're really fluffy, and oh my god, I just tasted a little piece of it, and it already tastes so good. It's very fluffy. Let's see. Yeah, it has a really good flavor. Almost tastes a little bit like buttermilk pancakes. So yeah. I'd say it's definitely pretty darn good.